Greetings. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how you can make your images more accessible and inclusive by adding alternative text to them on Instagram on computer. So when you open your Instagram, we come here on the left to create, and then you come and select the image that you want to add into your post. Select this, and then I click on next. Here we have filters, then we have adjustments in case you want to decrease or increase the brightness and other functions. Then click on next. Then here it's important to write a very good descriptive caption of which also tells what the photo is about. So you can make it more detailed like this. This is just for an example. And then we have the accessibility feature here, which you click on. And then here you can write alternative text giving more detail about what's in the image. So this is where you put that alternative text and you will have made it very inclusive for everyone, even those with visual impairments, to be able to make sense of the image. So that's how you do it on Instagram. Thank you.